What is up, you guys?
Hey.
And welcome to the wedding vlog. This is going to be our longest vlog yet because we still have over a year away until we're actually getting married. This is the venue though.
We found our venue!
So step one, almost complete. We still have to officially book it and put deposits down, select all the food, invite people. But the process has officially begun.
Yeah, I feel like the hardest part is done. Like the hardest part is like obviously choosing the venue. Like you have to choose your dream venue, like where you want to get married. This is only happening once. And he literally just randomly found it. I guess what were you doing, just searching on it on the internet?
I was just looking around and I found, this wasn't the first one I saw, but it was an estate. So I said,
sounds luxurious.
Interesting. And I searched for wedding estates in Central Florida, and we are here.
Yeah, so as soon as he sent me the link, I like looked on it and I was like, I cannot even believe my eyes. Like, we always dreamed of getting married at Disney, and like as soon as I seen this, I'm like, this is the one. Like, I don't even care about Disney anymore. I want to get married here. I have to get married here. The inside is just absolutely gorgeous.
And there's a lot of potential and space for us to make it our own Disney wedding.
Yeah,
and
we definitely
honestly,
have a lot of Disney touches for sure.
The bride's quarters, while she's getting ready, was very beach club, yacht club-esque. So
just very classy. They even have like an entire room that's like literally like ginormous bookshelves with like the book ladder, which totally remind me of like Beauty and the Beast. So it's like, it's literally going to be perfect. Like those photos are going to be awesome.
It's very Great Gatsby and luxury, and it's a good spot.
Yeah.
I didn't film in there because that was for us today.
Yeah.
There's gonna be plenty of more chances to show you around the actual venue and the actual wedding and stuff like that. I don't know where this vlog is heading. It's gonna be like the planning process.
This truck is totally ruining the vibe, but you can tell. You can tell what's happening.
There might be like a two-part, like the second part will be the actual like video and stuff we get from our wedding, but this will be planning up to the wedding. I don't know.
I think we're gonna do like, I think it'll be fun to do like a video on the day, like we go to pick out our wedding bands, and I think I'm gonna try to do like some sort of like video like while I'm picking out my dress with all of my girlfriends, like to make sure, like obviously not doing the actual dress I picked, but just like the stuff leading up to it, and like all like the sweet moments and stuff. Try to see if I can do some sort of something that you could put together to also put in the video too. I think that would be fun.
So today is February 21st, 2023, and it's the first day of wedding planning. So we're going to be checking in throughout the next basically year and a half-ish, something like that, and we'll keep you updated.
Yeah.
September 11th, 2023, it's booking day. So we are back at our venue. It's fun to see it.
Been 7 months since we've been here because we came here in February, so it's exciting to like be back, take it in. And this time the truck is not ruining the view. There's no truck in front of the building today.
So we're gonna get in there and put our money down, and the planning really begins. We're gonna get our date, and then we're gonna go to Disney Springs
To celebrate.
I can't wait to see what it'll look like on the day of our wedding.
I know, me too.
Here's a little behind the scenes. So this is the backyard, back patio area. Babe's over there talking business. There is a dock, but it looks like it's been abandoned, but I don't think we really want to go out there. It's on a lake, so it's going to be mosquito central. But see all these lights out here, when they're turned on, it's going to look pretty nice around dusk. We're getting married inside, and then we're going to have our cocktail hour outside, and then go back inside for our fancy reception. Empty. Here's the front door. This is where I'll be getting ready.
I love it. It'll be really pretty for pictures and stuff too.
The library.
This is where you'll be getting ready.
The groom's suite.
when we came in February, like we already know, we're like, this is definitely it. Yeah.
Upstairs is where the bride will get ready. Shiny floor. So this is the bridal suite.
I'll be getting ready. Me and my girls.
It's huge. Plenty of place to sit. Got the windows overlooking. Chandelier. Big double doors.
I love this mirror. It's so cute. It'll be really nice once I put my dress on. I can like look at it before I walk down.
And then in here, hello. Look at this. Look at that. There's a balcony you can go out on. And in here, you got like a full-blown locker room. A dream closet. So plenty of spots for everyone to hang up their dresses, bridesmaids, and all that. There's a shower too. Big shower. And yeah, we're gonna sit down here and sign some papers. And just like that, we just booked our wedding venue.
Yay!
Money's down, date is set, so now all we have to do is wait.
Yep, November 5th, 2024. We are getting married. It finally feels like actually real. Like it felt real the first time, like once we came here in February, but now it's like, it's booked. We gave them half of the money. We have our official actual date where like now I can like start buying stuff that like has our date on it and stuff. So now it's like really real and I'm so excited.
Time to make some invitations. We're getting married. Okay, everybody, March 6th, 2024. Literally 8 months, give a day, until our wedding day. We're back at the venue and we're doing a food tasting.
I'm very excited. We've only been here twice. We came here first time last year in February when we first toured the venue, and then we came back last September to actually book the venue. So we've only been here 2 times, so I'm very excited to be back, and it'll be the first time like actually seeing it because it's like an actual event, so it'll be decorated like all like pretty and stuff, like how you could like see like a wedding. The last couple times I came here, obviously it was just like a blank slate, so it'll be like kind of cool to see like the actual like event and see like what's gonna happen.
So I don't know if they're gonna have like buffet style or they're just gonna bring us food. Really don't know what's going on inside, so
yeah,
let's go see.
Really the only thing that we know like ahead of time, just like from the email, is that there's supposed to be like live music. We are gonna get to try food, desserts, and then also drinks. So those are the things I know like for sure, but I just don't know like how many people or like what's gonna happen. I don't know, kind of nervous.
Let's check it out. So it's buffet style. We got chicken, we got steak, little meatballs, potatoes. This is a little teeny tiny taco.
Baby taco.
Some bread, cheese sticks. I'll try to get a better little overview after I try some of this. So this is right when you walk into the front doors. We stopped here, kind of checked in, got a name tag. Over there are some desserts that we're gonna check out. We got beverages. And over here is the buffet room. It was set up buffet style.
Yeah, so that's actually how it'll be set up for us. So we're doing buffet, so like
And if we go in here,
this is like my favorite room.
the library.
Straight Beauty and the Beast vibes.
And she's got a little candy buffet, they're calling it over there. All kinds of cakes and stuff on the shelves. And you got some photo booth action going on in here. We did do this too. I'll show you our picture real quick. Where is it? Ta-da! So we took their card just in case, but that's the little machine you'll use, and you can text the photo to you. People can leave you videos, little messages, all kinds of fun stuff. And this is where the groom gets ready. Very nice. So here are some of the options on the buffet. Caesar salad, rolls, vegetables. These are rosemary roasted potatoes, a grilled herb chicken, and a steak Lozano. This is like an appetizer bar, so they had fries and onion rings.
Oh, one little lonely.
The cheese sticks were a hit. And they have these meatballs, which actually are pretty spicy. Meatballs were a hit too. This was full when we were over here.
Spicy.
They're a little spicy. We have two pastas as well, a cheese tortellini and a penne with saffron, garlic, and mushroom. And he's making it right there. And here is the reception area. You got the bar over here. Give you a general idea. That'll be our table right over there. DJ. So this is out back of everything. This is where the cocktail hour will be and people walking around with hors d'oeuvres.
Yeah, so they'll have like the tall tables right out here. But if you have a night wedding, you can like do like little twinkly lights and stuff.
Little fountain.
The little waterfall fountain thing. So pretty.
Here's the whole venue. Very nice. Taking pictures for people.
Yeah, I'm trying to be nice. Because they were like trying to take them, and I have a feeling that when that mom took a picture for those two, that didn't come out very well. So I figured might as well get one of four of them.
So on the big day, basically the whole second floor, or second story, I guess I should say in this case, is all for the bride and her bridesmaids.
It's all about the bride.
There's a whole suite, I think.
I'm pretty sure we can go up there.
Put that in a few earlier clip, but
I have the lights on.
let's go up there.
Yeah, sure we can.
So this is the second story.
Look, our menu right here on this couch with Taylor and her computer. This will be nice that they have this though too, because like when my lady comes to set up like all like my makeup and hair stuff, it'll be nice to be able to use this to be able to set up stuff.
Plenty of surface space. So out this window is where we were just standing. Down there. Make sure you stay away from the windows when you're getting ready.
What?
Stay away from the windows when you're getting ready.
Just don't go in the back. Stay out front.
Here's this crazy bathroom area. The swans. And they have this tub, but she said it's not really for use. Just kind of looks nice.
It's just for show. I can climb in there and take a picture in my little. I'll wear my little pajamas so I can like sit at the back. I think that would be cute. Like because we're gonna do mimosas in the morning, so I can like sit back there and like hold my mimosa and like take a picture. Oh, I was wondering if they had a bathroom up here.
And a bidet.
That's interesting. I didn't see
Wow.
that before, too. I didn't notice that.
And then like a locker room kind of area. I don't know who you would call this. It's not a locker room, but...
Okay, if you didn't know, this was actually a house before they turned it. They renovated it into, I almost said a resort, a wedding venue. So this was like someone's closet. This is literally what this is.
Ridiculous. So everybody's got their own little cubby, if they need it.
We're gonna have this table sit up here.
I don't know.
Oh, what is this thing?
It's a swan.
Oh, interesting. That's very dirty in there. It's nice to have a little fireplace going. straight up the middle. We're getting married downstairs in the big, huge, like, bay window.
Here comes the bride. So it was nice being able to see this all set up, kind of how it'll feel when we're having our reception. So
This is where we're getting married, right in front of this window.
and that's where we'll sit.
Yeah.
August 31st. Watch this. How many days until we get married?
I think it's 66. I think. Hold on. Yeah, 66. Oh, that's right.
Time is flying now.
It really is so crazy.
We're pretty much wrapping it up. So today, we're going to go look at wedding bands.
So excited. I can't wait to see, like, because, like, for him, he doesn't have a ring yet, obviously. But I have my engagement ring, so, like, I'm super excited to see, like, what I will get with my engagement ring, like, to match it. So I'm very excited.
Some jewelry. Yes. All right. Let's see how we do.
Acquired.
Both got a ring. We almost had to order them online, but we ended up finding what we wanted. So, one step closer.
I literally got my absolute dream ring, so I'm so excited. Thank you. And it just like makes it feel more real. Like we literally have our wedding bands.
It's kind of like the final check.
No, the final check is getting our marriage license.
Okay, well, next stop.
That's the final check, but this is definitely one of the final checks.
Where do we go for that? Like courthouse or something?
Yeah, so you go to the courthouse, but for the marriage license, if you don't know, your marriage license is only good for 60 days. So you have to make sure that we go within 60 days of like our wedding. Like it can't be more than 60 days of our wedding.
So
but also it has to be more than 3 days from your wedding if you're not taking the marriage course online.
Right.
It has to be 3 days prior to like, I don't know, activate whatever it needs to do. But it has to be less than 60 days. Like we have to, so I would say probably like maybe mid-October.
2 weeks we'll just do it.
Yeah. So. Yay!
Rings.
We're getting married.
All right, here we are. November 4th, 2024. Tomorrow is the day. We're getting married tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So crazy.
We're at the Polynesian Resort. We're going to check in here and start our wedding honeymoon vacation. So this video is going to end here, and the vacation vlogs are going to pick up right after this clip. So we'll see you in the next video. We're getting married!